Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will check out the fastest way to check whether a value exists in a list in Python. So let's get started. So I've created a simple code. Basically, I've created a data holding a list of integers from 1 till a big number, that is 10 lakhs, and I want to search for the last number in the list, that is 10 lakhs. And now I've created a simple flag. That flag simply checks for the item, and if the item is present, then it will print the item exists, else it does not exist. And then what I've done is, using the time module, I'm noting the start time of the search and the end time of the search, and that I'm printing on the output window. So in the first method, we are going to use a simple for loop, and we are going to check each instance of the item in the list, and if we find the item, then we're going to turn the flag to 1, which means the item exists. Now if I run this code, as you can see, this completes within 0.06 seconds, and sometimes it also takes 0.1 second. So you can note down this time, and let's try it the next time. Again, it's taking us 0.13, the fourth time 0.12. So let's keep its average count as 0.1 second. Now I'm going to use the second method, that is using the in keyword. And so for what I'm going to do is, now I'm simply going to remove this code, and the if in keyword is pretty simple. All you need to start your code is saying if, and say the item that we are searching for, the variable search in flag in data, then all we need to do is turn flag to 1. It's as simple as that. And now if I run it, as you can see, it performs much faster than the previous method, that was 0.01 second. Let me run it once again. It returns the same speed, that is 0.01 second. The third time 0.2. So that's quite a small change. So we can note down the average speed from 0.01 second, or I can note it as also 0.015 seconds. So this shows that the second method, using the in keyword, produces comparisons of speed, comparisons of items in the list much quicker than using the for loop. That's simply because in the for loop, we check each and every occurrence of the data in the list, which is the search variable that we want to search for. Unlike this, Python creates the in method much efficiently, that can quickly search items and return that item present, and tell us whether the item is present or not inside the list. So next time you want to search for an occurrence in a list, remember to use the in keyword, since it produces faster lookout timing, and it will give an efficient code that you can produce. So that's it from this informative video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.